Hi friends, welcome to my channel. So in this module we learned the different types of keywords. Okay, different types of keywords. So there are different types of keywords to target in SEO. Okay, but here you will learn only the 5 and most important keywords that you need to know as a beginner. Okay, the first keyword type is short tail keyword. So as the name suggests, short tail keywords are short keywords. Okay, these keywords are comprises of 3 words, 3 words or less. Three words or less. Okay. This kind of keywords have high search volume. They are also highly competitive too. Okay. For example, Nike shoes is a keyword. Footwear is a keyword. It's a single word keyword. Lemon is a keyword. Okay. So if you rank for a keyword lemon, if your website ranks for a keyword lemon, the user might be searching for what vitamins are provided by lemon and how much calories a lemon has. Okay, so we don't know the intent of a search here. Okay, this kind of keywords bring high quality traffic, but due to the low search intent, the conversion rate of a business is very lower. Okay, it has high search volume. It has high search volume, but conversion rate is very lower. Okay, conversion rate is important for a business. So the second keyword type is long tail keywords. Long tail keywords. So long tail keywords consist of more than 3 words. Okay. So they are much more specific in search and they have low volume and also less competitive, but the search intent here is very high. Okay, so let's look at the example. Best smartphones to buy for gaming. Okay, best smartphones to buy for gaming. Okay, so this is a long tail keyword. It has a intent. Okay, he is searching for the best smartphones. He is going to buy. Okay, also he is searching for gaming. Okay, so when this user making searches with these long and detailed keywords, they are ready to make a purchase. Here, so here the conversion rate is very high when compared to short tail keywords. Conversion rate is very high. It has low search volume only. Okay. So conversion rate is very important. You can also select these kind of keywords. Okay, even though it has low search volume. Okay. So the next type of keyword is branded keywords. Okay. So there are the type of keywords that contains your business or brand name. For example, Samsung mobile phones. Okay, so it contains the brand name, right? So this is a brand keyword. When the user search for this query, your goal should be to get number 1 rank in search engine results. So most of the time when you search for these kind of keywords, The e-commerce websites like Amazon and Flipkart will rank higher in search results. Okay. So the next type of keyword is geo-targeting keywords. Geo-targeting keywords. This is especially useful for small and local businesses. Okay. So when you want to attract the most relevant customers, their local customers to your store. Example, best hotels in Mumbai. Best restaurants in Chennai. So it has a the location name of the location. So it is called as a geo-targeting keywords. Okay, it's a location-based keywords. It has low search volume. Okay, it has low competition rate too, but it has high specific search intent. Okay, they are searching for the best, and they are searching in the location. Okay, so it has high specific search intent, and it has higher conversion rate too. Okay, high search intent and high conversion rate, okay, but it has low search volume. Okay, so and the last and the very most important keyword type is LSI keywords. Okay, LSI keywords are LSI, latent semantic indexing keywords. Okay, so what is meant by LSI keywords? So these are the kind of keywords that is closely related to your main keyword. Okay, so let us look at the example. Your main keyword is lemon. Okay, example, your main keyword is lemon. It's your main keyword. So, and its LSI keywords would be lemon tea, organic lemon, and lemon nutrition, etc. Okay, so your main keyword is lemon, and your LSI keywords are lemon tea, organic lemon, and lemon nutrition, and many more keywords related to lemon. So in order to get an LSI keyword, you need to first decide on the main keyword. Okay, so the major advantage of using LSI keywords in your content is your website will show up in search results for various kinds of keywords that users search related to your main keyword. So in other keyword types, you have to select a particular keyword and you have to work for that single keyword for your website. But here in the LSI keywords, you will select a main keyword and you will also select and optimize using the related keywords that you also want to rank in search results. So it increases your organic traffic. Okay. Organic traffic. It has a low search volume. It has low competition to rank, but it has high and specific search intent and high conversion rate too. Okay, so these are the different types of keywords that you need to know as a beginners. So doing a keyword research, have these keyword types in your mind and select the right keywords for your websites. Okay, and if you have any doubt, just ask your doubts in comment section. Okay, give a like to my video and comment my video and share my videos to your circle and subscribe my channel. Thank you.